Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Assistant and giving it the permissions it needs. Open the Google app, go to Settings, then Google Assistant. Turn on Hey Google so voice activation works. Make sure your language matches how you speak and grant microphone access so the assistant can hear you. Once done, enable Lock Screen Voice if you want quick access from sleep. These steps unlock voice control and prevent permission errors later, so do them first before trying commands. Now train and personalize the assistant so it responds reliably. Use Voice Match to teach the assistant your voice. That reduces false wakes and secures personal results. Then set defaults for music, navigation, and phone calls so commands open the right apps. Link accounts like Calendar and Smart Home and grant location for maps and weather. Make a simple routine. Build a morning routine with weather, calendar, and news, because once set, a single command runs multiple actions. Finish by testing common commands and smoothing workflows. Say, "Hey Google, call mom," or navigate home to verify calling and maps. Try media playback and smart home controls. Add voice shortcuts or a home screen widget for one-tap access. Make a routine for multi-step tasks. If something breaks, check the microphone and permission settings, confirm the Google app is updated, and sign into the correct account. If Voice Match fails, retrain it. These final checks keep Assistant responsive and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.